Games, changes and fears. When will they go from here? When will they stop? I believe that fate has brought us here. We should be together, baby, but we're not. I play it off, but I'm dreaming of you. And I'll keep my cool, but I'm fainting. I try to say goodbye and I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not near. Goodbye and I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not near. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing I Try by Macy Gray. We'll do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. After that you'll be able to practice with the original recording. Now grab your ukulele and let's go. Okay, so the song starts immediately with the verse, which is D to A to E minor 2 times. As for the strumming pattern, I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, but I would suggest you to just listen to the song and figure out your own strumming pattern. This is developing your ear, and also sometimes just trying to make this strumming pattern that somebody else made in their head listening to a song can be very challenging and actually can make you lose the time. So if that's the case, just do whatever you can do to not mess up the timing. But that being said, here's what I'm doing. So I'm doing 1 down strum and then muted down, up, down. I'm just leaving my fingers right here, not really pressing, but also not letting the strings open, okay? And on the next up strum, I'm sounding it. 1 muted down and another up strum, all right? I'm basically going constantly down, up with this hand, but most of the strums I'm muting right here, and I'm focusing on these 3 strums for the verse, and after that on a little bit more strums. I'm trying to make 3 dynamically different parts. The verse is the quietest, the pre-chorus after that is a little bit louder, and the chorus is the loudest. So I'll indicate the strumming patterns that I'm doing right here, but again, don't feel like you have to follow it completely, all right? It's more important to remember the chord progressions and have fun with the song. So let's see how this goes. Games, changes and fears. Where will they go from here? When will they stop? And here on this E minor, the first time that we're playing the verse, we are stopping, we're just playing 1 down strum. When will they stop? I believe that fate has brought us here. We should be together, babe, but we're not. And here there is one detail right before going to the pre-chorus. I'm grabbing the E minor chord, and if you can reach right here with the pinky on the 7th fret, 7, 5, 2, open. All right, it's a nice touch if you can reach up here. Try to do it. Going to the pre-chorus, which starts with G. I play it all, but I'm dreaming of you. To F sharp minor, and then to E minor. And I keep my cool, but I'm fainting. To A. All right. I play it all, but I'm dreaming of you. And I keep my cool, but I'm fainting. I try to say goodbye. And here we go to the chorus, which is D to A to E minor, and here G to A splitting a bar. All right, so let's see how this goes. I try to say goodbye and I choke, try to walk away and I stumble, though I try to hide it, it's clear, my world crumbles when you are not beneath. Goodbye and I choke, try to walk away and I stumble, though I try to hide it, it's clear, my world crumbles when you are not beneath. And here it's important when we're going to the next verse to drop down the dynamics of the song a little bit, getting back to the previous string pattern. And after that we have another pre-chorus, chorus, and then we go to the bridge, which we start with F major 7. I'm grabbing it up here like this. Here is my confession to A minor 7. I'm grabbing it like a E minor shape, but up here, 7, 8, 9. Back to F sharp major 7. Here back to E minor. Love kisses and such. And here to C7. I try to B minor 7, just barring on the 2nd fret. But this I can't deny. E minor for 2 bars. Deny. And here you can. Going back to the pre-chorus, which ends with a modulation, which you can skip if you want, but I'll show it to you. I play it off, but I'm dreaming of you. And I keep my cool, but I'm fainting. I try, and here all the chords go half a step up, all right? So here we're splitting a bar between A to B flat. I try to say goodbye. And here we do E flat, I try to B flat, way, and I stumble to F minor. It's clear to A flat, B flat splitting a bar, goodbye and I choke, try to walk away and I stumble, though I try to hide it, it's clear, my world crumbles when you are not me. Oh. And that's the outro. Basically you can make it as short or as long as you'd like. It's clear, my world crumbles when you are not me. Well, this modulation definitely makes the song, so if you want to, do it. If not, don't feel bad about it, just do it however you want. The purpose of all this is just having fun and feeling good, so don't stress yourself. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.